Alright, this is a short video of the human respiratory system, and in this you will basically be able to see that actually how the air, what is the passage through which the air enters into the human body, or in that case in our body, right? So we will talk about the human respiratory system. And now if you see here, in water the humans cannot breathe. We cannot take in oxygen through water because our body is not designed such, our lungs are not designed such, and so the human body is capable to breathe oxygen through air which enters through the nasal cavity. If we look at the respiratory system here, we see the nasal cavity, the passage through which the air enters, and the air moves down. This region is the pharynx region, a common passage, and opening for air as well as food, right? You can see the food pipe there, and so if in case the air enters the food pipe, it comes out, it is pushed back, and we burp. When we burp, air comes out. Otherwise the air enters the windpipe, and you can see the trachea, the windpipe, is divided into bronchi, which are further divided into bronchioles. At the end of the bronchioles, you can see there are alveoli present, a group of bunch like balloon like structures that are attached, right? So they look like a bunch of grapes. Exchange of gases takes place in these alveoli only, and since it is exchanged that way, our body or our lungs are not capable of exchanging oxygen through water. Just below the lungs is present the diaphragm. You can see it in the dome shaped structure. You can see the pair of lungs that are present over here, and when we breathe in air, you know, the diaphragm, it moves a little down, right, because of the pressure that is created by the air that is filled inside the lungs, right? Through the bronchioles the air enters, and the passage back also is through the alveoli, bronchioles, bronchi, trachea, and back through the nose. The air comes out. So that's about it, the respiratory system, right? And we can once again you can just see how the parts of the respiratory system are shown in the video here. Again we will see that is the nasal cavity which is present, right? The nose, the opening of the nose is the nasal cavity. The passage, common passage for both food and air, is pharynx, right? Then through the pharynx the air enters the trachea, which is also known as the windpipe. Through the windpipe it enters the bronchi, right, left and right bronchi, which enters into its own side of lungs, and the bronchi inside the lungs are divided into bronchioles. The lungs rest on a muscular diaphragm. You can see the bronchioles here, right? Each bronchi is divided into thin tubes called bronchioles, through which the air enters the alveoli, right? Balloon like, sac like structures are the alveoli. So that's about it.